So about 3 years ago, 2020 to be precise, when I started trading the forex market, there was this afternoon I sat at my desk and I opened up my computer. I started scanning the charts for trading opportunities. As at that time, we had this holy grail that me and my guys trade. EMA 7 and 11. You wait for it to cross there, snap it, buy. So that day I sat at my desk and I started scanning the charts. Then I'm like, okay, let me look for trading opportunities. I had like $20 in my account. And I kicked off. I saw cross like this. I slapped it, went profit. Crossed again, slap out, went profit. And I kept going. And I took that account from $20 to $100 in less than 3 hours. I got up from my desk. I walked to the sitting room. My sister was on the chair, on the couch. And I'm like, yo, I just turned $20 to $100. That was my biggest profit ever. And she's like, really easy, wow. Then I went ahead to tell my guy, because we were trading together at that time. I'm like, yo, I just did this. I just turned $20 to $100. And it's like, bro, that's mad, that is coming over. I went back to my desk and I sat down. And I'm like, okay, let me just play with the market, let me just see what happens. I didn't plan to trade. And I saw under cross and I slapped it and I took a loss. I kid you not, before he got to my house, he stayed like 10 minutes away from me. Before he got to my house, the account was gone. And when he got, he's like, guy, how far? I'm like, bro, I deal, just tired. And trust me, you knew what had happened. And he's like, okay, what's wrong? What's going on? So that was my first eye-opener that this is possible in the forex market. And that was my first eye-opener that losses too are possible in the forex market. I have 3 tips out of that story that I'm going to share with you that will help you to be successful in trading in the year 2024. If you want to up your trading career in the year 2024, do watch this video to the end, because tip number 3 is and will always be the most important factor in the forex markets. Now, on to tip number 1, know when to get out of the market. If you make profit, get out. You have nothing else you're looking for. Get out of the market. Just move on. You've made profit. You've won. In such a tough and devastating place, you found a way to win. Why are you still there? Just move on. Get out of the market. So tip number 2 would be in the line of tip number 1, and it's quality over quantity. And now, this one is very simple. It's very, very simple, but it's hard to implement. And here's why. We have a strategy, right? We have a strategy. Let's assume we have a strategy. I expect you to have a strategy. Yes, fine. Within your strategy, there are going to be quality setups and there are going to be very, very weak setups. And you would know, and I can guarantee you that you will know. I know that you know these setups that are quality and more likely to play out. So those ones that you know are more likely to play out, watch out for them. Forget about the other ones. Just watch out for those A+ setups, those quality setups that you are sure, at least 60% sure that those setups will play out. And if you take just those setups, even if it's 3 that comes up in a week, just imagine what happens. So guys, on to tip number 3, and we have risk management. Now, in my opinion, risk management is the number 1 most important thing that will keep you in the market. Like, it's so important that even if you are trading nonsense, like total nonsense, if you have risk management in place, you have a longer time in the market than people that even know how to trade and don't know how to manage risk. Risk management is so important. And I implore you guys to actually up your risk management. Have a strict risk and be strict with it. Do not have cheat days. Don't have any cheat trade. Don't double down. Like, you've not gotten there. Do not double down. Just keep risking that set amount. If it's 1%, good for you. If it's 0.5%, good for you. If it's 3% per trade, good. Let it be fixed. That's the important thing. Alright guys, so that will be it. If you notice, I didn't talk about having a strategy. And why didn't I talk about having a strategy? Okay, now, this might be a tip, but it is not strictly like that. So I didn't talk about having a strategy because, guys, I'm not talking about strategy today. I will probably do a strategy video for you guys so you guys could really learn something from me. But take these 3 tips, go with them in 2024, and I guarantee you there will be progress in your trading. There's a lot of things to work on, when it comes to trading. So just run over it again. Number 1 is avoid over trading, know when to get out of the market. Number 2 is quality over quantity, pick the best trades, forget about the rest. And number 3 is risk management. Risk management is your best management. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching this video. If you got to this point of the video, drop a comment, say $100 in the comment section. That's fair, right? Yeah, just drop that in the comment section. Let me know that you got to this point of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, because they say we should ask you to. Then, turn on the bell notification so that when I post a new video, you get to see it first, because I want you to. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.